In last session, you learn about angle of elevation and angle of depression. And today I will do some sums for you, some problem sums, so that you can learn how to do the problem sums. So let me do some problem sum for you so that you can know it. Your topic is trigonometry. We are doing problem sum. We are doing problem sum. See, first problem sum, question 1. A tower stands vertically on ground. A tower is there and it is standing vertically on the ground. A point is 100 meters away. A point is 100 meters away from tower. A tower is there and there is a point which is 100 meters away from the tower. Angle of elevation of the top, angle of elevation of top of tower is, angle of elevation of top of tower is 60 degree. Find height of tower. What you have to find? You have to find the height of the tower. This is a simple sum. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Let us see the solution. Suppose this is a tower. This is a ground. What is this? This is tower. This is ground. Now what we are doing? Tower stands vertically on the ground. Point is 100 meters away. This distance, this is a point which is 100 meters away from the tower. Angle of elevation, this is the top of the tower. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. See, I have drawn a figure. A tower is there and a point is 100 meters away from the tower. And angle of elevation is 60 degree. What they are telling you? Find the height of the tower. So we have, this is height of the tower. This is base. So what we have to take? Opposite and base. So we have to take opposite upon base. So opposite upon base is the formula of sine. Opposite upon base is the formula of sine. Opposite upon base. No, it is not a formula, it is formula of tan. So, what we have to take? Tan 60 is equal to, what is the formula? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Or we are writing P upon H. Till now we are done like this, P upon H. What is the value of sine tan 60? It is root 3. Last time from table we have learned that the value of tan 60 is root 3. What is perpendicular? Here perpendicular we have taken H. So we will take height H. What is hypotenuse? Sorry, perpendicular upon base is our formula. So what is base? Base is 100 meter. Understood what I have done? 10 means P upon B. Here you can see from the figure, perpendicular, the height of the tower we have taken H, base is BC, that is 100, it is given in the question, that we have put it. Here written the formula 1060 is equal to perpendicular upon base, value of 1060 from the table we can know that it is root 3, perpendicular is we have taken H and base is 100. So H is equal to 100 root 3. So we know that value of root 3, last session I have told you that value of root 3 is 1.73. So when you multiply by 100 you get 173 meter. So height of tower is 1.73 meter. So by taking a trigonometric ratio, we will find the height of the tower. Here we have only used the formulas of trigonometric ratio. Like this, from the question you have to read the question and then you have to draw the figure, and from that figure you have to write. Now come to next question. Here let me take a question 2 for you. 2 or 3 questions I will do for you, and from that you will be able to learn how to do the sum. Now see the next question. As observed from the fixed point on a bank of river, angle of elevation of a temple as observed from bank of river is observed from bank of the river, angle of elevation of temple, angle of elevation of temple 20 meter high is 30 degree. What that is, as observed from the bank of river, angle of elevation of the temple 20 meter high is 20 degree. Temple is on opposite side of the river. Find width of river. What you have to find? Find the width of river. Now see, here we will draw the figure first of all, then we will solve it. Answer. What they are telling? This is a temple. Let me draw a temple. This is a temple. This is river. What is this? This is river. What is this? This is temple. And he is watching from here. Angle of elevation is 30 degree, that is given in the question. Width of river is not given. Here A, B and C. This is river, this is height of temple is given 20 meter. What is given? Height of temple is 20 meter, it is given. Width is not given, means what you have to take? Opposite upon base. So you will get the width of river. Let the width of river, let me take it x. The width of river is x. Now of P upon B, here also we will take 10. So take 10, 30 is equal to P upon B. Value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Here P is 20. B is not given, but we have taken it at x. We will take it x. So x is equal to 20 root 3. We know that value of root 3 is 1.73. So we will multiply it. So 3.46 meter. So width of the river is width of river is 3.46 meter. So what I have done, I have read the question. From that question I have drawn a figure, and then from that figure I have taken 10, and then I got the answer. Width of the river, I got it. Now let me take one more question for you. So that you can understand and you can do the sums. Third question I am taking. See the question, watch it properly, and some 5 to 10 questions will be given to you. You have to do it. A palm tree breaks due to the storm. Let me take third one. A tree breaks due to storm. Due to storm. Upper end touches the ground and make an angle of 30 degrees. Upper end touches the ground. Touches the ground and make angle of 30 degrees. What happens? The tree is broken due to the storm, and the upper end touches the ground and make the angle of 30 degrees. If the top of the tree touches the ground 1.5 meter away from the bottom, if the top touches 1.5 meter away from bottom, it is touching 15 meter away from the bottom. The top which is touching the ground, it is 15 meter away from the bottom. Now find the height of the tree. Find height of tree. So let me draw a figure so that you can understand. Let that this is tree, this is ground. The tree is going to break from here. From here the tree is broken, and so what will happen? This is tree. Whole distance is tree, and from this portion it is broken. A, B, and C. It is touching 15 meter away, making the angle of 30 degree. So what? You have to find the height of the tree. This broken part is touched here. This broken part is touching here and making the angle of 30 degree, and it is 15 meter away from the ground. This is given to you in the question. Now, for finding this whole height of the tree, you have to find AC and you have to find AB. Both the things you have to find it. You have to find AB and you have to find AC. So first of all, finding AB, we can take 10. So let the A tan theta, and tan 30 is equal to P upon B, that you know. Tan 30 means 1 upon root 3 is equal to what is P? Perpendicular is AB, it is not given. Base 15 is given. Then AB is equal to 15 upon root 3. Now here you can rationalize the denominator by multiplying root 3. Let me multiply root 3. So what we will get? 15 root 3 upon 3. 3 by the 15 means AB is equal to 5 into root 3. So you can use the value of root 3, that is 1.73, or you can put it as it is. Let it be 5 root 3. At last we will put the value. Now you have to find hypotenuse AC. So you have to take base upon hypotenuse. So for that we will take cos 30 is equal to B upon H. Cos 30 is equal to B upon H. Value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Here base is 15. H is not given. From here you can find the H. Let me take BC, not H. Here BC is the base. No, this is AC hypotenuse. So we are taking AC. So from here we can know AC is equal to 30 upon root 3. We will rationalize it. So we will get AC is equal to 10 root 3. Now see what we have done. What we have done is, for finding whole height, what we have to do, we have to add AC and AB. The height of the tree, the height of tree. For that, we have to add AB and AC. See in figure, AB and AC. If we will add these two, we will get whole height. The height of the tree is equal to 5 root 3 plus 10 root 3 means 15 root 3. 15 root 3 is the height of the tree, which they have told you to find out. Now we can put the value of root 3. So here the height is equal to 15 into 1.73, that is, if you multiply 15 with 1.73, you will get 25.95 meter. This is the height of the tree which was broken after storm. So this you have to watch it properly, do it properly. Some like this, some will be given to you. You have to do it and try it.